In this video I will show you how you can save file in Visual Studio Code. So if you are interested in this video, then keep watching this video till end. So let's start. So if you want to save your file in Visual Studio Code, then you have to press Ctrl plus S. I'm repeating again, you have to press Ctrl plus S. So now I'm going to press Ctrl plus S. So now you can see my file has been opened, and I'm going to give its name code.c and press enter. So now here you can see my file has been saved. So if you also want to save your files in Visual Studio Code, then you have to press Ctrl plus S. So I hope my video is helpful for you guys. If you like that, then hit the thumbs up and make sure to subscribe my channel. I will see you next time.